Music is how many of us relax, and managing it on Android can get messy. In this video, we'll show you the 8 best Android music manager apps to keep your library organized and clutter-free. Part 1. Best Music Manager for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android with its Mac version is a perfect Android management desktop software that we first recommend to everyone. Step 1. After downloading and installing Assistant for Android on your computer, launch it and connect your Android phone to this computer via USB cable or via Wi-Fi. The program will detect the connected Android device and show you its primary interface like below. Step 2. Navigate to the left sidebar to choose the Music tab. The program will scan your Android phone and display all music files on the right side window. Part 2. Other 7 Android Music Manager software or apps to manage music on Android. 2.1 DoubleTwist. DoubleTwist is an application that can run on both Windows and Mac computers. It allows you to sync music from iTunes to your Android phone via Wi-Fi or a USB cable. 2.2 MediaMonkey. MediaMonkey is a one-stop music manager for iOS and Android that can edit music files, such as renaming and lyrics processing, and can also find duplicate music files to manage playlists. At the same time, it is also a music converter that can rip CD encoded MP3, OGG, FLAC, VI. 2.3 YouTube Music. YouTube Music is a modern music manager for Android that lets you stream millions of songs and upload up to 100,000 of your own tracks. While it doesn't manage local MP3 files directly, it offers smart playlists, offline downloads with premium, and cross-device syncing. 2.4 Go Media Manager. Go Media Manager is another excellent Android music library manager. It allows you to easily view the music and pictures in your Android phone, and then classify, erase, hide, play, and share them. 2.5 VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is a very popular free music player and converter. It is suitable for Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac systems and can run smoothly on computers and mobile phones. 2.6 Music Bee. Music Bee is a powerful Windows music manager known for advanced tagging and library organization. Although it doesn't have a native Android app, you can sync music and playlists to Android devices via third-party tools or manual transfer. 2.7 Super Music Manager. Super Music Manager is a simple and lightweight Android app designed to help users organize and manage their local music files. It offers features like backup and restore, playlist creation, and basic ID3 tag editing.